Two people, same amount of debt, same monthly payment. One is completely debt-free in 26 months. The other is still paying 18 years later and has paid back more than double what they borrowed. The difference between them is not income. It is not discipline. It is not even how much they pay every month. It is the strategy they used. In the next 14 minutes, I'm going to show you every proven strategy to pay off credit card debt as fast as mathematically possible, ranked from fastest to most powerful, with the real numbers behind each one. By the end of this video, you will have an exact plan, built around your specific situation, that you can start today. Here's what we are covering. Strategy 1. The Avalanche Method, Maximum Interest Savings. Strategy 2. The Snowball Method, Maximum Psychological Momentum. Strategy 3. The Balance Transfer. Pay zero interest for up to 21 months. Strategy 4. Debt Consolidation Loan. One payment, lower rate. Strategy 5. The Hybrid Approach. The one most financial experts actually use. And at the end, the single most important thing you can do this week that will speed up your payoff regardless of which strategy you choose. Let us get into it. Before we get into the strategies, let me show you what most Americans are currently doing, and exactly why it is the slowest and most expensive option possible. 25% of Americans say paying off debt is their #1 financial goal for 2026, according to Motley Fool Money's 2026 New Year Money Resolutions Report. Credit card debt is the most urgent target. 37% of debt-focused Americans are aiming to eliminate it first, but most of them are doing it the wrong way. The average American credit card APR is 22.15% as of Q2 2026, according to the Federal Reserve. The average balance is $6,580. At minimum payments, that $6,580 takes over 18 years to pay off and costs more than $14,000 total. Here's the exact math. Minimum payment on $6,580 at 22%, approximately $130 to $150 per month. Of that, about $121 goes straight to interest. Only $9 to $29 per month reduces the actual balance. That is why it takes 18 years. Every strategy I am about to show you beats minimum payments by years and by thousands of dollars. The question is which one fits your situation. Strategy 1. The Debt Avalanche. This is the mathematically optimal strategy for paying off credit card debt. Here is exactly how it works. Step 1. List every credit card you have. Write down the balance and the APR next to each one. Step 2. Order them from highest interest rate to lowest. Ignore the balances for now. Step 3. Pay the minimum on every card except the one with the highest interest rate. Step 4. Take every single extra dollar you have and throw it at that highest rate card. Step 5. When that card is paid off, take that full payment amount and add it to the minimum on the next highest rate card. Repeat until every card is gone. Here is the real math on why this works. Let us say you have two credit cards. Card A, $3,000 balance at 24% APR. Card B, $4,000 balance at 18% APR. You have $400 per month to put toward debt. Avalanche approach. Attack Card A first. Total payoff time, 23 months. Total interest paid, $1,840. If you attacked Card B first instead, same $400 per month. Total payoff time, 25 months. Total interest paid, $2,290. The Avalanche saves you $450 in interest and gets you debt-free 2 months faster. The more cards you have and the higher the rates, the bigger the savings. Who the Avalanche works best for? People who are motivated by math and numbers. People who can stay disciplined even when progress feels slow at first. People with high interest rates across multiple cards. Strategy 2. The Debt Snowball. This one was popularized by Dave Ramsey. And the reason it works has nothing to do with math and everything to do with human psychology. Here is how it works. Step 1. List every credit card by balance, smallest to largest. Ignore interest rates completely. Step 2. Pay minimums on everything except the smallest balance. Step 3. Throw every extra dollar at the smallest balance until it is gone. Step 4. Take that full payment and attack the next smallest balance. Repeat until debt-free. The Snowball does cost you slightly more in total interest compared to the Avalanche, sometimes a few $100s more depending on your rates. But here is what the data shows. Research published in the Journal of Consumer Research found that people who pay off small accounts first are significantly more likely to stay motivated and eliminate all their debt. The psychological win of seeing a balance hit zero creates a dopamine response that drives continued behavior. And a plan you actually stick to, even if slightly suboptimal, beats a mathematically perfect plan you abandon halfway through. Who the Snowball works best for? People who have struggled with motivation before. People who need early wins to stay engaged. People with several small balances across multiple cards. Strategy 3. The balance transfer. And this is the one that most people underestimate. Here is what a balance transfer actually is. You apply for a new credit card that offers 0% APR on transferred balances for an introductory period, typically 15 to 21 months in 2026. You move your high-interest credit card debt to this new card. For the duration of the introductory period, you pay zero interest. Every single dollar you pay goes directly to reducing your principal balance. Nothing to the credit card company in interest. Let me show you exactly what this saves you. Example, $6,500 balance at 22% APR. Current payment $385 per month. Without balance transfer, payoff in 21 months, total interest paid $1,591. With balance transfer to 0% for 21 months, 3% transfer fee up front, $195. Total cost to pay off in 21 months, $195. Interest savings, $1,396. You save nearly $1,400 simply by moving the debt to a 0% card. And if you take that $1,400 in savings and use it to pay the debt down even faster, you can be completely debt-free months earlier. Now here are the rules you must follow for this to work. Rule 1. You need a credit score of 670 or above to qualify for most balance transfer cards. If your score is below this, work on it for 6 months before trying. Rule 2. Calculate exactly how much you need to pay monthly to clear the entire balance before the 0% period ends. Set up autopay for that amount. Rule 3. Do not use the new card for any new purchases. It is a payoff tool only. Rule 4. Do not close the old card. Keep it open with a zero balance. This protects your credit utilization ratio. Rule 5. Mark the end date of your promotional period in your phone calendar. If you do not clear the balance before then, the regular APR kicks in, sometimes 20 to 27%. Who balance transfers work best for? People with good credit, 670 or above. People with balances they can realistically pay off within 15 to 21 months. People who are disciplined enough not to add new debt to the old card. Strategy 4. The debt consolidation loan. This strategy works best when you have a larger amount of debt spread across multiple cards, and you need more than 21 months to pay it off. Here's how it works. You apply for a personal loan at a lower interest rate than your credit cards. You use that loan to pay off all your credit card balances at once. Now you have one payment at a lower rate with a fixed payoff date. Current personal loan rates for debt consolidation range from roughly 7% to 36% APR in 2026 according to Bankrate, depending heavily on your credit score. If your credit score is 700 or above, you can likely qualify for rates between 7% and 14%. That is significantly lower than the average 22% credit card APR. Here is the math. $10,000 in credit card debt at 22% minimum payments will cost you approximately $26,000 total and take years to pay off. $10,000 debt consolidation loan at 11% APR, 4.5-year term, monthly payment of $236 total cost, approximately $12,700. You save over $13,000 in interest. 2 critical warnings about debt consolidation loans. Warning. 1. Do not use the loan to free up credit card space and then charge the cards back up. This is how people end up with both a personal loan and new credit card debt. The card accounts must stay at zero and ideally be locked away. Warning 2. An origination fee of 1% to 10% is common on personal loans. Calculate whether the interest savings outweigh the origination fee before committing. Who debt consolidation loans work best for? People with larger balances that need more than 21 months to pay off. People with good credit who qualify for rates well below their current card APR. People with multiple cards who want one single payment. Strategy 5. The hybrid approach. This is the one most certified financial planners actually recommend in practice. Because the truth is, these strategies are not mutually exclusive. Here's the framework. Step 1. Identify your highest interest rate card or cards. If the balance can be paid off within 21 months, apply for a 0% balance transfer card and move that debt there. Pay 0 interest on it while you attack the remaining cards. Step 2. Use the Avalanche Method on all remaining cards. Highest rate first. Step 3. If you have a large balance on a single card that you cannot pay off within 21 months, consider a consolidation loan for that specific balance only. Keep the 0% transfer for the shorter balances. Step 4. Every time a card is paid off, immediately redirect that full payment amount to the next target. Here is why the hybrid works better than any single strategy alone. The balance transfer eliminates interest on your most expensive debt for up to 21 months. The Avalanche eliminates the remaining high-cost debt in the most efficient order. The consolidation loan gives you a lower rate and fixed timeline for anything too large for the other two strategies. You are not picking one tool. You are using the right tool for each specific debt. A real example. $6,500 at 24% on Card A, eligible for balance transfer. Move it to 0% for 21 months. $30,200 at 19% on Card B, Avalanche this one. $11,000 personal loan needed for Card C, consolidate at 10%. You have eliminated interest on Card A entirely, reduced Card C from 22% to 10%, and are attacking Card B with the Avalanche. This approach saves you the maximum amount of time and money simultaneously. Now I want to talk about the single most powerful accelerator for any of these strategies. Throwing extra money at your debt. This sounds obvious, but let me show you exactly how powerful it is with real numbers. Take the $6,500 balance at 22% APR. Payment of $130 per month, minimum, 18 years and 7 months to pay off. Payment of $300 per month, 2 years and 8 months to pay off. You save 15 years and over $9,000 in interest. Payment of $500 per month, 1 year and 5 months to pay off. You save 17 years and over $11,000 in interest. The math is not linear. Every extra dollar you pay in the early months saves you multiple dollars in future interest. So where does the extra money come from? Here are 3 specific ways that work in 2026. 1. Cancel recurring subscriptions you are not actively using. The average American spends $273 per month on subscriptions, according to a 2026 survey by C+R Research. Most cannot name half of what they pay for. Audit your bank statement this week and cancel anything you have not used in the last 30 days. 2. Sell items you own but do not use. Facebook Marketplace and eBay make this simple. The average American household has $4,000 to $7,000 worth of sellable items, according to Deckletter. $1,500 payment on a 22% credit card saves you roughly $110 in future interest. 3. Add one source of extra income, even temporarily. A side hustle earning $400 to $600 per month during the payoff period can shorten an 18-month payoff to 12 months. Rideshare, delivery, freelance work, or tutoring all produce immediate cash. Every extra dollar directly to the highest rate debt immediately. Let me tie this back to where we started. 2 people, same debt, same payment. One debt-free in 26 months, one still paying 18 years later. The difference was a strategy. You now have 5 strategies. The Avalanche, the Snowball, the balance transfer, the consolidation loan, and the hybrid approach. You have the real math behind each one. You know which fits your specific situation. And you know the single accelerator that speeds up every single strategy. Here's your action step for this week. Pull out your credit card statements. Write down every balance and every APR. Then decide, are you an Avalanche person or a Snowball person? Can you qualify for a balance transfer? Do you need a consolidation loan? Pick your strategy. Set it up. Automate the extra payments so it happens without you having to think about it. The fastest way to pay off credit card debt is not a secret. It is a decision, followed by a system, followed by consistency. In the next video, I am going to show you exactly how to start investing with just $100 after paying off your debt. Because your debt-free journey does not end with zero. It starts there. Subscribe so you do not miss it. If this video gave you clarity on your debt payoff plan, share it with one person who is stuck in minimum payment mode right now. They need to see this. I will see you in the next one.